Hello scholars and welcome to the homework explanation video. This week in history you're going to be practicing how to write a conclusion. I know we have not done this in class, but this is more of like a time for you to explore and learn on your own before we come together. So my first step for you would be to read the box. The box's definition of what a conclusion is. So I'm going to go through that with you. So pull out your homework and let's get started. What is a conclusion? Simple definition of a conclusion. A final decision or judgment, an opinion or decision that is formed after a period of thought or research. So in our instance, our conclusion is going to be the very last paragraph after you've already researched, meaning you've looked at the documents and you've written your body paragraphs. And it's the last part of something. It's the last part of your essay. The act of concluding or finishing something, or the state of being finished. So all three of these definitions discuss being finished. When your conclusion paragraph is done, your last sentence, I should be no doubt 100% sure that your essay is complete. Keep this in mind. A conclusion paragraph is the last paragraph of your essay. Again, I'm just reading straight from your homework so you can follow along with me. You will summarize what you've already written. Please do not give me any new information. You don't want to add and overwhelm your reader. Talk about what you've already discussed in your paper. A good rule would be to have one sentence for every body paragraph, and we'll get there. Keep in mind to restate your thesis at the beginning. So if your thesis is Pokemon Go is beneficial because you get active, you get healthier, and you can explore new parts of the world, you're going to want to say that again in a different way as your first sentence in the conclusion. You're going to write a sentence summarizing each body paragraph. So you have 3 body paragraphs, meaning you need 3 explanation sentences. And lastly, end with a strong thought that leaves your reader wanting more. That leaves them thinking about the topic itself. Because ultimately, a DBQ is to persuade your reader to side with you. Okay, you want to win that argument. For your homework this week, directions. Read the following conclusion and color code them using the key below. Each paragraph below, so number 1 and number 2, are conclusion paragraphs. So according to our directions, we need to color code the thesis blue. Your sentences that summarize main points need to be yellow. And a strong thought that tells the reader what to think should be red. Now, if it is an appropriate paragraph, which I'm telling you they are both complete paragraphs, complete conclusions, there's going to be a specific order. So if you're not sure what order that needs to be in, you need to go back to the notes at the top. Okay, so there should be a specific order. Use the color coding. If I give you any more, I will be doing your homework for you. So again, your directions are to read the question. You are going to color the thesis blue. You will color sentences of main points in yellow. And then you will color code the strong thought as red. Okay? Again, so I'll go through and I'll read the questions for you just in case you need a little help here. Number 1, the question being asked is, should dangerous sports be banned? So like we did with Pokemon Go, our question was Pokemon Go or Pokemon No? Is Pokemon Go beneficial to society? We took that and made a thesis. So in this paragraph, you need to discover where the thesis is, and again, you're gonna color it blue, and then the supporting or the summarizing of the main points, which would be the 3 parts of your thesis and the 3 body paragraphs you're summarizing. Again, summarizing, saying the same thing, shorter amount of words. And then again, the strong thought is in red. Question number 2. The question being asked would be, should parks like SeaWorld be shut down? That is the topic of that essay. So again, thesis is in blue, statement that summarizes each main point is in yellow, and the strong thought that tells the reader what to think is in red. Okay? Again, this is for your benefit. Rewatch this video as many times as you need it. And I am also available if you need me. Your packet is due on Wednesday. Please do not wait till the last minute to come ask me for help. Good luck and get excited because we're going to work on our conclusion paragraphs next week.